Hey YouTube, it's Sean again. I'm back with another mukbang. It's a hot day again in California as usual. I'm finishing up the food series of me eating the Filipino food. I bought enough food to make 2 mukbangs, and I'm finishing up with the adobo chicken. I have some smothered steak, and I'll show you in just a second. So smothered steak and gravy. I have some more of that crispy skin pork Lipton, and I made some more fried plantain, and I made some steamed rice and some steamed peas. And this is a new thing today. I made calamanci iced tea. I took some tea, I steeped it overnight in cold water, and then I used 1 cup of sugar. I put in about, I squeezed in about 5 little calamanci fruit. I put in a couple of maraschino cherries, and there you go. And it's delicious. I'll put the full recipe in the description bar below. I'm gonna have another blueberry sweet roll. I have a trio of sauces right down here, and let me let you get a view before we get into this meat. This is gonna be a good meal. This is the adobo chicken I just mentioned. This is the fried plantain. This is the smothered beef and gravy, the crispy pork Lipton skin, and the steamed peas. I'm ready to go. And of course some steamed rice. Let me go ahead and put some sauce on the plate. Ooh, excuse me, I didn't want that to fall. That's all I need is for that to fall down. That's all I need. I'll put a little bit of fenugreek. This is the Guamanian pepper sauce. Put a little bit of that on my rice. Put some of those hot peppers on my food. Man, oh man, that's gonna be good. Let's see. And then of course I have those vinegared, let me put this tape out of the way, excuse me. Those vinegar and peppers that I made. I don't know so much want vinegar, I just want the hot peppers on it. Okay, I think that's enough. And I have some fish sauce down here in case I change my mind and I want some to go on my plate. Let me put this down a little bit so you can see what I'm eating. Oh gosh, it is going to be one of those days, and you know what? I'm ready for it. I'm hungry. I forgot to tell you too before I get started to eat, this meal cost me $44.93. I got the squid. I had the 2 different porks. One was crispy pork belly and one was the crispy Lipton. This is the smothered beef and the adobo chicken and the fried squid. If I did I ever say the squid? But anyway, the fried squid. All that came to $44.93, and it was worth it. You see, I had so much food. Anyways, I had so much food that I could make 2 videos. And I still have some leftovers left in the kitchen. Okay, let me go ahead and get started. Oh my gosh. This is the chicken adobo, or adobo chicken. Look. Oh man, this is my absolute favorite. That is so good. And here's the she forgot to tell me the name of this one, but man, let me tell you, it was already butter tender. I warmed it for about 30 minutes. It made it even more butter tender. Look at that. That's the steak. That is delish. Of course, I need some rice. Oh man, I love rice. Steamed rice with the fenugreek on it. Oh man, it just kicks it up a million notches. So just a pinch more. There. Whew. It is hot. This hot pepper and the hot heat, it's not working. This calamanci iced tea, oh man, you're gonna want to make that when I put the recipe down. Okay. Some more of that chicken adobo. Man, they left a little bit of that skin on there too. Man, oh man. Let's see if my chopsticks work. I don't know what. I'm having trouble with my chopsticks lately. I'll use my fork. It's adobo chicken. A lot of little bitty bones. But man, oh man. Them cooking this on the bone is what makes it. Oh my gosh. The chicken is so juicy. You will suck on these bones like me. Get some of these peas. I always neglect the vegetables. I have on a white dress. That's all I need is to drop gravy on my dress. No way. Ooh, hot. I like my food steaming, piping hot when I eat. And this came straight out of the pot that I warmed it in. There's some more of that smothered beef. Look. Ugh. I think that might be some kind of pork roast. No, beef roast, not pork. But it is smothered in the lightest gravy. It's thick and it's light at the same time. And it's so good. Tastes like my mom made it. Of course, my dog wants to bark while I'm filming because somebody's outside having the nerve to walk past our house. That's a lot of bones. Hush, mama. Little bones. I think I need to worry about swallowing these bones. It's a lot of bones. Those peas go perfect with that rice. I don't eat peas that often, but when I do, I like them steamed for like 2 minutes and that's it. A little bit of sugar in the peas, a little bit of onion powder, and that's it. What you guys been up to today? Any interesting news on this Sunday? Our weather changed on a dime. It literally was steaming hot. I mean, it was hot. And now I feel like a cold breeze coming through that window. But when I was warming this food, it was making my house super hot. I was like, oh, get done already. Want some more of that crispy skin. That pork is so good. Love it. What are you guys doing Sundays? Is it just a layback day? What are you guys eating? I think starting next Sunday, I'm gonna eat light foods on Sunday. I don't like heavy meals, but I wanted to finish this up. It's not even heavy, it's just, this is not a heavy meal, but oh man, I just couldn't wait to get into it. But yeah, I wouldn't consider this one heavy because when you get done eating this food, you don't feel stuffed and or you have to take a nap. At least I don't. Actually, I get more stuff when I eat our kind of food. If like, I'd like on the Sunday maybe like some other chicken, some dressing, some macaroni and cheese, all that stuff. It'll put you in a coma. This food here, it looks really rich and heavy, but it's really not. But I'm getting full. Man, I watched a few videos on how they make this adobo chicken. And it seems like it's pretty easy to make. I think I'm gonna try it. I might not make it 100% right, but I'll probably get pretty close. These plantain make this meal. Another bite. They smothered the chicken so long that the bones got tender. They got tender and they started falling apart. That's why you have to watch out for those bones. Eat a bite with the rice, a little bit of the meat, and the plantain. Man, it's so good. Does that look like roast to you? I don't think it is. I mean, it's butter tender. I'll have to save some of this for another meal. I still have plenty over there on the stove. I mean, there's a lot left. Oh, I forgot about this. Look. Ube roll. So good. I know it. Delicious. Delicious. I'm talking, but not as much, right? One more bite of the adobo chicken. Minus the bones. So feel nice and satisfied. Not like super, you know, heavy or, oh my God, I have to take a nap. I feel just right. Now this bite has a little bit of the roast beef. I think it's roast beef. A little bit of that roasted pork. Okay, that's it. Can't have another bite. I'm over it for right now. I'm gonna pack it up, let it cool down, and freeze it for another meal. Oh no, I don't waste this kind of food. It tastes better even the next day, even more better the next day after that. But I'm done. I just took a nice cool bath, got dressed, and I feel so comfortable. I'm gonna take my calamanci tea. I'm gonna veg out on that couch. And I'm just gonna watch everything. I don't know what, but I'm watching something and a whole bunch of it. Okay, last bite. Now I guess I can have a drink of my calamanci tea. I mean, isn't that pretty? I like drinking pretty things. It just looks, it's so refreshing. That hits the spot. Okay, I'm done with this video. I want to try one last thing, and then I'm going to say goodbye to you guys. And I want to thank you for watching. If you got to the end of this video and you're listening to this part right here, can you please subscribe to my channel, like, and comment below what you want me to try next. And I guarantee you, I'll try it, I'll get it, I'll find it, I'm down, and I'll do it. So, I'm gonna have another one of these cookies from a haul that I did the other day, Mexican cookies. These cookies are really good. That was the chocolate chip. And here's the strawberry wafer. So good. Strong strawberry taste, which is kind of odd. Usually they don't, it tastes kind of artificially flavored. This one tastes real. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you at the next one. Bye.